Right now, we're seeing a notable dip in cybersecurity sentiment, with a sentiment score of -0.02 and a momentum of -0.27 over the last 24 hours. This negative shift is particularly striking when compared to our historical baseline, indicating a heightened level of concern or unease within the cybersecurity landscape. Our API returns a comprehensive analysis of this sentiment, breaking it down into 20 semantic clusters that give you insights into the underlying emotions driving this trend. Imagine using this data to inform your security protocols or prioritize your incident response strategy. This is invaluable for staying ahead of emerging threats. For more details, visit pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.